लास्ट वीक मुझे खराब हो गया कुछ म्यूजिक हो गया yeah we were we did complete that convention na non-conventional also completed
no
तुम्हारा हम लोगों ने आज मुझे आज कौन सा इंग्लिश सेंटर में आपको
नॉन कन्वेंशनल स्टार्टिंग का
just started
no not started
ठीक है I know exam starting
18 hours
हाँ तो you inform the department anyway I'm going to force you
sir it's your take up
take up करो
ये काम मैं प्रोटेक्टेड
तो saying 20
हाइडल पावर भी आपको सर
it's in 27 chapter 25 20
okay
or something others where were you last class going on and what where were you doing really exam के टाइम में पढ़ते हैं I don't know अच्छा एक काम करते हैं अभी marking conventional and non-conventional are same module है so what I do I'll explain a bit faster and we will mark next week how many schools are having exams how many students are 1 2 3 4 are not going to come you two are going to come हाँ वो cricket है basic okay देखो I am not going to stop it because as long as the lectures are allotted I will be going but I may vary the speed I will not rush out with the portion but I will go with the normal I hope when is your exams
date 14
and when will you join 15 नहीं sir 15 को तो 15 August ना no but our lectures will be conducted don't think ना
yes
we never give a holiday हम तो मिशन के लिए पढ़ाई करना है ना ठीक है ना that they will let you know generally we don't give so what I do because 2 weeks of times are there and you will be missing 2 lectures so I will be starting a new episode new module will be starting you just connect it with your friends or see the video coverage video recording nothing we can do okay chalo now she was saying कि I was explaining convention only
हाइडल पावर भी आपको स्टार्ट
उसके बाद क्या है
then
खत्म है ना
yes
तो एक काम करते हैं shall I put this on hold little bit because I'm in a mood to explain this non-conventional especially starting with the first one is solar है ना second one is tidal है next is wind energy correct next is geothermal next is where I'll be spending more time in nuclear energy correct so what are we going to do tell me I'll not only will explain but I'll make you the mark and some nice videos you must see for this one something new I think chemistry teacher or chemistry as a portion of nuclear energy so shall I start from we have that's what I'm saying so why it is non-conventional why it is non-conventional because it is not conventional
because they expire after
expired
they get exhausted
they don't get expired what else exhausted correct what else then they are
taking a
normally
long period to
they are normally polluting in nature they are normally we can say close to fossils what are fossils
which are preserved for years
what are fossils then what is petroleum is it fossil fuel
yes
really I don't know
पढ़ा था बुक में
outwards such a smile she's doing good work give it actually no need to lock it up what else because I feel non-conventionals are you people dynamic young है ना dashing मतलब dashing is too hard यहाँ से थोड़ी सी हम निकल जाएगा and conventional भी यार अरे वो एक दिशा पे जा रहा है ना हर रोज पढ़ाई किया सर एक भी दिन ऐसा होता है जिस दिन आपने your parents are they conventional
yes
some parents come बेटा आज बड़ा अरे छोड़ यार चल ना मूवी हाँ मॉल तो जब पापा बोलेगा ना तो मुझे तो टेंशन आता है पापा नॉर्मल है या मम्मी चेक करो इनको means what non-conventions are suiting the modern generation. But the problem is what when I talk about solar, we have this solar wind, what solar cells or we call it as panels. Normally, इसको हम लोग चिप्स बोलते हैं, बट को चिप बोलते हैं, सिलिकॉन चिप्स है ना हमारे नीचे ही दुकान. We believe this is one thing where a country like China has achieved full efficiency. Country like France is doing. India is the fourth largest solar. Gujarat में अभी तक सिर्फ 2 ही टाउन है जो 100% solar है. But Gujarat and Rajasthan has the full potential to become a, है ना? Sunlight is huge.
सर अगर बारिश होगी तो
That time absorb it. क्यों बारिश में क्या sunlight absorb नहीं कर सकता? These chips are very even 6 to 7 that setting time that time also it will produce energy. Night में भी तो solar cells काम करता है.
नाइट में ही था
हाँ मतलब पूरा दिन भर उसका हाँ absorption चालू है. So we always believe initial cost is generally these are high. Am I right? But long run cheap. Next environmental friendly. हमारा बच्चा environmental छोड़ देता है. Friendly है क्या? What is that friendly? Homework check नहीं करना. Homework भूल जाने. And आते ही पहला बोलने get out of my class. तो कभी-कभी कोई टीचर बाहर निकल जाता है. रुक जा. Means what friendly का मतलब क्या है? No carbon emission, no greenhouse effect, no pollution. हमारा सिटी में pollution में कम है. तो सर we are top. दिल्ली से तो better ही है. हाँ दिल्ली से तो better है पर ठीक है सर है तो. But what are you and me going to do? If we adopt these technology, definitely it is going to reduce. The most important of these two, which we will be studying through the videos. So I'll start with this nuclear first. Geothermal ये तो थोड़ा सा easy है ना. So what is geothermal? Anybody?
On the earth.
It is normally those places where we have something called as hot springs. So that in India we have two places. One is in Himachal or Himachal Pradesh. Other is in Ladakh or Ladakh, whatever you pronounce. One is Fuga Valley, correct? And other Ladakh. So both we have a company called L&T. What is L&T? Larsen and Toubro. Indian company नहीं है, foreign है, but ठीक है. They are doing on an experimental basis. ये होता क्या है? Heat interior of the Earth's surface. They absorb by converting that into a steam. And there are different gas pipes which absorb the steam, gushes out, and makes the turbine rotate. My simple way to explain it. The nuclear energy. Anybody? We have two reactions. One is nuclear. Other is fusion. Which one we are taking? No.
पहले फ्यूजन होता है
नहीं मुझे नहीं मालूम. I am not a science student.
Fusion.
Sure.
Yes.
Difference क्या है तुम्हें? रुको शिल्ड. What is it? Spelling है ना? Smart. हाँ वो मैंने बोला. Fission means it is controlled, है ना? And fusion means generally uncontrolled. So uncontrolled means blast. जो atom bomb के अंदर होता है. So we are not using this. We are taking it. In India, we had a scientist, the late anybody? Homi Jahangir Baba. I careful with the spelling of Baba. Not this Baba. Exam में गलती से भी ये Baba मत लिख कर आ जाओ. ये तांत्रिक वाला Baba हो जाएगा. For the first time, atomic energy. What is atomic energy? Same. Used for a peaceful purposes. है ना? Do we have bark in Bombay, which is in Bombay?
What is bar?
I am asking that. What is bark? Anybody?
What is
Baba Atomic Research Center. BARC. I am a big product of that. I studied under them only. My dad used to be a PhD expert. So what is this bark has done show to the world? That peaceful use of nuclear energy. So we today produce electricity using a nuclear reactor. So we have to enrich uranium. Which are they? One is uranium-235, another is uranium. आप लोग बोलो यार ये isotopes है.
231.
Russia was the country which used to help India initially, but when Russia had the trouble that breaking away, now we are getting a sand from Kerala which is called as monazite sands. India ka Pulka. We have it in Maharashtra, a place called Tarapur, India's biggest nuclear power plant. Next is in Narora in UP. Then we have Tikrapara, Kakrapara, all in Gujarat. More like some food items name. है But 12 to actually 6 are major. अभी हमारे पास 12 nuclear power stations. Clear? You know what happens inside a nuclear? So there is this atoms, especially electrons, are bombarded, and when that release of energy, now that energy is used. I'll show you a good video of this nuclear energy, and you must understand. You have a chemistry teacher here, you ask him or her. I hope she or he will be able to tell you. But you look at the model, you will understand how this nuclear energy. Okay, these things are not expected as a geography teacher, but I show them so that you, while studying, don't get any problem. How does it know? He is sleeping. Get this case. These are pellets which are made up of uranium and plutonium. 235, 238, both are 92, 92. Not science students physics. Radioactive isotope. Good, my dear. Get up. Opening time, don't sleep. Yes, or yes. No sleeping. You are like an economics, science or maths. Who is economics student? It's not fusion, it's fission. You mean, not feeling good. Music waves below the
It has come a while.
हाँ तो कौन है हम अभी आए आप एक बार That is very practical. Are you understanding what is the activity? It's spoken. Where is the activity? I want to get a nice video for this. Wait. जल्दी बता, my dear. What are you doing?
Basically, इसमें आंसर गलत दिए हुए हैं.
गलत? Oh my God.
तो हो गए.
Oh.
So आज स्कूल की टीचर से इसकी गलत है, but still I want to reconfirm because
I'm also wrong. She is right.
तुम्हारी बोल रही है.
हाँ ये देखो. He will do it. काम करता है video is boring. Start reading nuclear and then explain. They're just wasting your as well as mine. Come on, read. Other time is also fine. Read nuclear energy. Read.
Acha, okay.
Oh, my dear.
Nuclear power is obtained from the energy stored.
Now slowly. Put some energy.
Nuclear power is obtained from the energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium.
It is uranium.
Uranium. बराबर ही है ना? Uranium.
I am wrong. Sorry. This Marathi movie keeps coming. A good girl. Study nice.
Generation of the nuclear energy when atoms of these radioactive substances
Yeah, my Ram, where is the book? I don't know where is the book. We're sleeping on the benches. Right?
No, I'm listening.
What is that? What she didn't say anything. You might listen.
She is saying
What?
uranium.
Like uranium is uranium.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
You said uranium.
अच्छा जाओ ये very good. You carry on. ये थोड़ा सा.
The process of splitting of atoms is called as nuclear fission. Nuclear fission produces heat, and this heat is used to heat water and make steam. The steam power turbines, which is are used to run generators which produce electricity. The two main types of nuclear reactors used to generate electricity are the pressurized and boiling.
You carry on.
Just PEWR problem.
PEWR.
No, pressurized and boiling.
वो कुछ रहेगा.
The water is heated by the nuclear reaction, but it does not boil because the water is pressurized. This heated water is separated from the tubes in a steam generator, allowing the water in the steam generator to turn the steam, which then turns the turbine in the boiling water reactor. The water comes to a boil due to the heat produced by the nuclear reaction and turns into steam to turn the turbine.
Whenever it's sounding,
The water from the reactor power the turbine into the system and water is ready.
Sit with this textbook. My dear brother is sitting. Who can nuclear energy? So nice. Advantage, disadvantage नहीं क्या? We will discuss.
Advantages are there, disadvantages are there.
Now I'll ask him to read. Come on. This energy, geothermal. ये geothermal का वो वीडियो है, देखो. You must see this. I think हम अगर लद्दाख, ये प्यूगा वैली and फिर से नाम. एनर्जी स्टोर करके मेरा दिमाग है ना. थोड़ा सा और. but प्यूगा वैली.
आपको वही याद था.
क्या? नहीं. और दूसरा भी याद है. Some of my friends from abroad, especially girls, they see my lectures.
You talking Marathi now with us.
But
Only one
you might tease me, dear.
No, we not.
You not, but I'll yes.
you also use that English.
Sure. Why don't you compete with me in English? That's my mother tongue, is it? That way.
It is not just South Indian.
So what? You don't know South Indians, they don't use their mother tongue, they use English.
Yes.
What else? But I don't know.
No. One of my mother is in London also. But don't ask why Papa has done that mistake. Papa has done that mistake. And उनका understanding था, they got together. How would I expect, is it? Hey, no, you speak there. I love it. Not that lady, but my colonial cousins, British. You got okay. It's too good to speak. Here we go. Hot springs. ये लिख ना वो लिख करके वो कचरा बाहर आता है डायरेक्टर है देखो कंपनी सोने जैसी है अमेरिकन लोग है ये चेक करो टेक्स्ट में दोनों जगह ये भाई साहब क्या है every day I check with him look at him लद्दाख इन प्यूका वैली हिमाचल प्रदेश में दो जगह है
Yeah, it's not
मेरा तो जियोथर्मल है ना
Yes.
इधर एक्चुअली कहीं से इंग्लिश में है
Yes, Pyugawali, Tatapalli, Chhattisgarh, and one in Himachal.
मणिकरण इन हिमाचल प्रदेश and देखो देखो this is how they checking the small scale now they check it Uday Shankar still the gentleman is also जितना सर पे नहीं उतना पूरी तरह से है ना like him राजा जी यार
इसके पेट तक
ठीक है नाना जी और योर गॉडफादर बट कर क्या रहे हो
तो आप तो कोई सो रहे हैं
दोस्त लोकल पीपल
Yeah, they know.
मतलब तभी गाँव वाला बात करे Yeah, I know our reactions are pure. Unlike your words are impure. You can't hide anything, at least from me.
Sir, do you remember Sugala? इसने कहा था
नाम से तो नहीं जानता.
नहीं जानते नहीं सोना नहीं आने के
क्या बोल रहे हो? All good. He is a local fellow. You can okay. Hot springs. So they पानी गरम ही रहता है. इधर है ना जोगेश्वरी में. तो ये तो सर. How do I read it? Karama khayal sa.
कर्मा
Karama khayal. Okay. He's a Ladakh cowboy. सुना है ना? ये तो शर्मन है. Look at the hat he's wearing. Ronaldinho. They do not have electricity. अभी geothermal का काम चल रहा है. This is that bigger so much. American person last time. Haglins. Haglins. Disrespected. At the same time. I should have put on CC there. ठीक है चलो understood what is geothermal come on boy you read we will finish up this chapter
geothermal energy is the heat energy contained in the rock and fluid that is heat fracture.
understand that heat energy inside the rock if you remember that volcano chapter of your 9th standard how much is the average temperature magma rock का अंदर 3500 degrees Celsius You and me cannot bear 35 degrees from sun. So when this water is touching that particular rock, it suddenly gushes out in the form of a steam. And वो steam को पकड़ के लोग पकड़ता नहीं है, they just drill it and they take it out. Okay, go.
Generation of geothermal energy. The sources of geothermal energy can be generated by using the shallow steam, hot water.
Shallow, swallow क्या बोलते हैं?
Shallow steam,
You can't swallow a steam.
hot water and hot rock.
Hey, last week even was absent. You? किसके साथ? देखा था मैंने।
इधर
वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ किधर? किधर? नहीं। अच्छा किधर?
By drilling wells up to thousands of feet beneath the Earth's surface.
हाँ.
The extremely high temperatures in the deeper geothermal reservoirs are used for the generation of electricity. The high pressure steam spins a turbine that rotates a generator and produces electricity.
Feeling cold.
Okay. Why common है? You needed AC, you said. Or she said.
She said.
Okay. That switch off.
Hot water is pumped from deep underground through a well
Sir,
under high pressure. When the
Something
water
you
reaches
do
the
the iron
surface,
board studying always.
What is that something? What is that something?
कुछ तो करते हैं अलग।
Yeah, picture it.
Final exam.
Huh?
Final exam.
horror stories.
Then से क्या पूछना?
आप बताओ।
Something new.
एक काम करते हैं. Hey, you are interested in studies. एक काम करते हैं. I'll finish it off. एक काम करो ना. Take 5 minutes. Read all this non-conventional
Yes.
and tell me where you have a doubt. Anyway, in exam, you have to write what is tidal, what is solar, and what is wind energy. Advantage and disadvantage. Hey. Advantage and disadvantage. You read through. At the time, I'll take out some videos of topic related. Okay?
Sir.
Yes.
पहले आज some other disadvantages से है ना ये.
ये है.
See, there is no disadvantage.
I'll give you.
है पहले.
You can ask you right if there is not no.
But
Name hey guys, oh my dear, watch this windmill, huh? You will be having. ये देख लो. Guys, watch it. इसका तो sound. मदुरई से नागरकोइल तक एक जगह है, वो आपके बुक में भी है. Wind farm cluster. How does the windmill work? Just wait a second. एक अच्छा वीडियो जो हमेशा मैं हर बैच में Trump is doing some work. Donaldo is going to get mad after this 5 years. अच्छा so फिर short से देखते हैं, you will understand.
Yes.
China, I don't like it. Really. Very funny. And it is very tall. Right at the this music. अरे अच्छा वीडियो अच्छा है देखो in India ये PTM का डेट आपको मालूम पड़ा क्या
27 July.
हाँ प्लीज डोंट मिस इट
July?
अगस्त
पे आया हाँ August right.
Sometimes
But that is a very but क्या
sometimes
ये स्कूल में मीडियम बाद में आपने किया
no
I'm not there sir.
I know that you know
Ganpati.
सर 21 अगस्त को स्कूल में है
अच्छा listen to this 9th also you can come I don't know
27 why do I have to keep like
why your days are not fixed you see a bad girl is Rajashekar Uttaman It is generating electricity. On the seashore they have built it. Wind and solar are Shall I switch it off? You guys read and come back to me. I'll get some what you were asking off that line. चलो चलो read करो. Don't care. We will complete this chapter and next week how many are not going to come I don't understand.
4 of us
But then I'll do some map for
Sir, very good news. Sir, Kuli I'm in India only. I'm not going anywhere.
Where?
My father project over, so he's in India. He's coming back to India.
चलो अच्छा है ना.
Then I'm going to study in India only.
Good good. आजा हंसो आदवानी में.
There only I'm planning actually.
That is good. I'm just next to that office name. Last year or last to last year I show some real episodes. ये देंगे ना second part.
देखा था
हाँ देखा है.
Second one.
हां अरे दोनों का
Sir,
सब देंगे.
Sir.
बोल
सर
बस मेरे को बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. Write down geothermal and the nuclear. बाकी तो आपको मिल जाएगा. Write down geothermal energy. Generation of electricity. I'll give very short, huh? Generation. क्यों ना फिर बिना नोटबुक का उधर गए? But there's one wrong, and why they are listening more. Seriously.
You tell your birthday. You don't know what to tell. You tell your birthday.
Geothermal energy
And
generated.
don't tell us birth year, you just tell the date.
A little. Let's see.
ऐसा नहीं.
Are generated by using pool of hot by generating pool of hot springs.
Starting to करना.
Pool of hot springs. Geothermal energy are generated by using pool of hot springs or she is writing in a piece of paper or hot water and hot rock by drilling thousands of feet below the ground. Thousands of feet, पूरा खा गया, thousands of feet below the ground. Is some English is saying below the underground.
Ask me.
Which sentence is there? Below the ground. Second sentence. Hot water is pumped from creating a high pressure zone which then turns into then hot steam. Next point and the last one. This steam
Turns into
hot steam. This steam is used to turn the turbines connected to a generator producing electricity.
the turbines
Mhm.
connected to a generator.
वही तो फिर वो टर्न होगा, फिर वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कौन करेगा? Next. Advantages, right? Very short. I think एक point दो word का भी रह सकता है. Easy accessibility or easily accessible. That is better. Easily accessible. Second, one for my good friend, she doesn't read the book, so I'm giving you this kind of books. Environmental friendly. Next. Totally independent. Put a dash of weather or seasons. Of weather or seasons. Okay, is it very, very short I have given? Let us write similar to that of nuclear. I don't have switched on. I have only here. ये लिख देना. What is that? Nuclear. Obtained from nuclear energy. Obtained from. Continue with the heading. Nuclear energy is obtained from the energy stored inside a nuclei. What is nuclei? Singular and plural. Inside the nuclei, EI, that is nuclei, of atoms of radioactive substance, radioactive substance, like uranium. I'm writing it here. How do you pronounce it, guys? Uranium, is it? Thorium, uranium, and plutonium.
Yes.
Plutonium. Remember of the dog with the name called Pluto?
Yes.
Who's it is?
Mickey Mouse का.
ठीक है. Real भी हो सकता है ना?
Sir, Pluto planet है.
वो भी है. But that has been considered. Plutonium. Next. Inside a nuclear reactor. Not like that. Inside the nucleus, inside the nuclear reactor, controlled fission reactor. See up there, this one made it. Controlled nuclear fission reaction takes place. Realize like nuclear fission reaction takes place. Next one. So, continuous bombarding of the nucleus or atoms. Nucleus we got them from. Helps in releasing excessive energy tapped in the form of any
Helps in releasing
excessive energy which is then tapped in the form of any. What is any? Khatam. That is the advantage. Now, I did serve my purpose. You guys have got some rigor, but at the same time I'm pushing that chapter also. So no wasting of time. You only allow me to do. Point number 1. Advantage. The only energy which is highly dependable in the very long run. The only energy is highly dependable in the very long run. I ask questions. 29 it is.
Why high
Second.
dependent so that?
अब देख ये जो यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम है ना, they can generate energy which एक एटम को ब्रेक करेगा ना 1000 ton of coal energy देते हैं. Am I not saving 1000 ton of coal? That is the reason. ये थोड़ा hyperbole है, but ठीक है. Second point. This girls are discussing. Nobody can please. Write down 1 minute of time. Can you repeat that? अच्छा. This fusion produces
Fusion.
fission produces. For example, you were looking at. Produces 10 million times of energy. देखो मैं अभी बोल रहा था ना तुझे, वही है. Fission reaction produces 10 million times energy released by burning of carbon atom. है ना? और क्या चाहिए भाई? The last and the checking out point. ये वही दिया है, the most reliable. So it was wonderful meeting you guys, teaching you guys meeting. Next week, those who are going for the exam, best of luck for them. Those who are coming here, please bring the maps and something like this so that I can continue with our program. So, God bless you and see you soon. You are most welcome.
Yes,